Immersion suits, also called survival suits, have saved thousands of lives. They are designed to float you and insulate you in the water. It's important that the survival suits on board be assigned by size and fit ahead of time. When unrolling immersion suits on deck, have the zipper side facing up. Note the side of the hood that the Velcro face flap is on. You will need to know this for later. After removing your shoes, sit on the suit in the same orientation as the suit is laid out. If you wish to wear shoes, place plastic bags over them so your feet easily slide into the survival suit. Be sure your feet are in the very bottom of the suit. After the suit is on midway, switch to a kneeling position if the boat is rolling. If it's calm, stand up to get the maximum stretch out of the suit. Stop and make sure the zipper toggle handle is outside the suit. If the toggle falls inside the suit, it will be difficult to find once your hands are in the suit. Put your non-dominant arm into the first sleeve. Remove hats, hoods, or any eyewear and pull the hood of the survival suit over your head. Next, put the dominant arm in the other sleeve. Grab the zipper toggle, arch your back to straighten the zipper, and then pull the zipper all the way to the top. Lastly, secure the hood with the Velcro face flap. A second technique for donning an immersion suit allows you to lie down as opposed to standing for the second half of the process. You should try both techniques to find out which one works best for you. The size written on the suit may not be a good indication of how it actually fits you. So be sure to try the suit on with the clothing you will likely be wearing on the deck of the vessel. Donning the suit inside the vessel can lead to entrapment if the vessel floods or capsizes. With practice, you should be able to get into the suit within 60 seconds. In an emergency at sea, every second counts.